Hello students, welcome to Sentence on classes. Students, we are working from home. Better now look at the question number first of chapter 8 miscellaneous exercise. Okay, now the first question says find value of a, b and in the expansion of a plus b to the power n if first three terms are 729, 790 and 30375 respectively. So we have given first three terms of this expansion and we have to find value of a, b and n. So the expansion of a plus b to the power n, that would be nc0 a to the power n plus nc1 a to the power n minus 1 b plus nc2 a to the power n minus 2 and b square plus so on. And we have given the value of these first three terms. So according to questions, first term is 729. It means what? nc0 a to the power n. Beta nc0 मतलब 1 and it means what? A to the power n is equals to 729. Let as equation number first. Second term nc1 a to the power n minus 1 into b. nc1 means what? N. So n a to the power n minus 1 into b, that is equals to 7290. Equation number second. Now third term, that is nc2 a to the power n minus 2 into b square. Beta nc2 means what? N minus 1 upon 2. Okay, you can easily get it because that would be n factorial upon 2 factorial into n minus 2 factorial. So we can write n minus 1 upon n minus 2 into factorial. That would be cancelled out. So I am just directly write n minus 1 upon 2. I hope it's clear to you. A to the power n minus 2 into the b to the power 2, that is equals to 30375. This is equation number third. So now we have three equations and we have to find the value of a, b and there could be multiple ways to solve it. It's not like that the way I am doing it, you have to do that in the same manner. It's all up to you. You can choose your own way. So now first of all, I am doing that equation first into equation third. I am multiplying equation number first and third. So that would be equals to n minus 1 upon 2 into a to the power n and a to the power n minus 2. It would be a to the power 2n minus 2, isn't it? N plus n minus 2, it means 2n minus 2 into b square is equals to 729 into 30375. Let it as equation number 4. Now square the squaring equation number 2 both sides. Now squaring the equation number 2 both sides, that would be equals to n square. But now square of a n minus 1 square, it means what? 2n minus 2 a to the power 2n minus 2 into b square, that is equals to 7290 into 7290. Equation number 5. As you can see that in equation number 4 and 5 we have some terms common, so we will better it divide by. So now divide equation number 4 by equation number 5. So it would be n minus 1 upon 2 into a to the power 2n minus 2 into b to the power 2 upon n square a to the power 2n minus 2 into b square is equals to 729 into 30375 upon 7290 into 7290. Okay, so now 1 power of n will be cancelled out, 2n minus 2 that will be cancelled out, and b square that will be cancelled out. Okay, so it would be what? And 729 that would be cancelled out 10 times. Okay, so what we are left with? We are left with n minus 1 upon 2n equals to, it's very process, but I have solved this question many times, so that comes to equal to 5 by 12. Okay, so it is equals to 5 by 12. So now from here we can easily find the value of n. So it would be 12n minus 12 is equals to 10n. So that would be 2n equals to 12. It means what? N equals to 6. So we have got n equals to 6. When we have got n equal to 6, put it into the question number first. Put in first. So we have a to the power 6 is equal to 729. But that is equals to what? 3 to the power 6. We all know that 3 to the power 6 is 729. So on comparing the powers, here a equals to 3. So now we have got n, we have got v. Now I have to just rough it out. When we will put the value of n and a in equation number second, we can easily find value of b. Okay, so now please pause the video and note it down. I am just roughing out all the values over here. So I am putting the value of n and a in equation number 2. Okay, so now put it over here. N means 6, a is 3 to the power n minus 5 into 3 to the power 5 into b, 700,290. So 6 into 3 to the power 5 into b, that is equals to 3 to the power 6 into 10. So 5 times. So b would be 10 upon 6. So b is equals to 5 by 3. That is our answer. Okay. Quite lengthy but very easy questions. There is no difficulty in this question. So please pause the video and note it down. But we have 1 3 also left over here. Na? That was 3 to the power 6. So here 3 into. So that 3 would be cancelled out. So b would be 5. Sorry for that. So b is equal to 5. So we have b is equal to 5, n equal to 6 and a equals to 3. We've got all the values. Now look at the question number 2. Question number says find the value of a if the coefficients of x square and x cube in the expansion of this are equal. So we have 3 plus ax to the power 9. So general term tr plus 1, that would be equals to ncr. It means what? 9cr a to the power r 3 to the power n minus r into b to the power r. It means what? ax to the power r. So first of all we have to find the coefficient of x square and x cube, then we will put it together equal. Okay, so now for coefficient of x to the power 2, put r equals to 2. So the coefficient would be coefficient of x square, that would be equals to what? nc2 3 to the power 9 minus 2 means 7 and a to the power 2. Okay, because x power r means x power 2, so it is the coefficient. Similarly, for consider question number first, for coefficient of x to the power 3, put r equals to 3, isn't it? Because when I put r equals to 3, then only I will get x to the power cube. Okay, so coefficient of x cube would be equals to 9c3 into 3 to the power 9 minus r means 9 minus 3 means 6 into a to the power 3, equation number second. So as per the question, according to question, the coefficient of x square and x cube are equal. It means what? Equation number first is equal to equation number second. It means 9c2 3 to the power 7 into a square is equals to 9c3 into 3 to the power 6 into a cube. So from here 6 power will be cancelled out, from here 1 power will be cancelled out. So a would be equals to basically 9c2 into 3 upon 9c3. So a is equals to 9 factorial upon 2 factorial into 7 factorial into 3 upon 9 factorial upon 3 factorial into 6 factorial. So that would be 9 into 8 into 7 factorial, 2 into 7 factorial into 3 upon 9 into 8 into 7 into 6 factorial upon 6. Okay, so into 6 factorial, that would be cancelled out, 7 factorial will be cancelled out. So a would be equals to, that would be 4 times, so 36 into 3 upon 3 to the 6, 3 3 the 9, 2 4 the, and that would be 3 into 28. So that would be cancelled out. 18 times 4 and 9. So a equals to would be 9 by 7. Okay, that would be 4 times 36 and 4 times. So we got a equals to 9 by 7. Again, very easy question. Looks lengthy but very easy question. I hope it's clear. Please pause the video and note it down. Now look at a condition, because on the base of this we have to solve few questions. Okay, suppose we have this expression, one bracket this and another bracket this, and we have to find the coefficient of x to the power 5. We have some value of x in this bracket and some are in this bracket. Okay, so when x to the power 5 will make, when in this bracket if x to the power 0 and here x to the power 5, then it would be x to the power 5, or in this bracket x to the power 1 and in this bracket 4, then it could be x to the power 5. Here 2, in there 3, here 3, there 2, here 4, there 1, here 5, there 0. In these all cases we can get x to the power 5, x to the power 5, x to the power 5, x to the power 5. There could be no other case. When we have to find the coefficient of x to the power 5, it could be x to the power 6, 7, whatever it is. We have to find the combination from this bracket and this bracket which will together make a x to the power 5. Okay, so this question becomes very easy. Now we have to find the coefficient. So first of all, x to the power 0, it means x to the power 0 means 1. So here constant is 1 into x to the power 5. X to the power 5 over here is, where is, we haven't right, it is x to the power 5. It would be 6, it would be 7. Okay, like that. So x to the power 5 over is 7. So 1 plus 7. We are just counting the coefficient. Plus दूसरा केस क्या होगा, x to the power 1 and x to the power 4. x to the power 1 over here, coefficient is 2 and coefficient of x to the power 4 over here is 6. 2 into 6 plus coefficient of x square in this case is 3. There x cube is 5 plus coefficient of x cube over here is 4. There of x square is 6. Here of x4 is 1. There of x is 7. Here of x5 is 5 and x to the power 0, it means it is 10. So that all are the coefficient of x to the power 5. So that is how we can easily find. So it is 7 plus 12 plus 15 plus 24 plus 7 plus 50. This is the coefficient of x to the power 5. That is how we will solve the next question. Okay. So now please pause the video and note it down.